Okay, so we're gonna be working on this bezel. So take a look, it's a little on the little lumpy side. Oops, sorry. So there we go. And we're gonna clean this all up. So, I'm gonna hold it right here. So clean you up a little. It's like really lumpy on the side. Okay, we got you covered.
And then it does the metal and not the stone.
You have the right, yeah, but I'll actually polish a little bit of your stone too. So I'm actually going to push some of that metal closer to your stone, kind of like let it hug a little. Give me a second. So just right here, I want it to hug a little, because here you have it and it's kind of like almost missing.
Yeah.
Like a little on the thin side. So I want to...
I know kind of what I did to screw it up, but...
No, it's okay. I'm just going to smooth it out. Let's just smooth it out to make it look a little even. There we go. So we've got that nice and clean. And I'll fix it all up with the polishing wheel. And if you wanted to smooth any of this stuff up, see it's a little bit on the lumpy side right here, you just would hold this here and smooth that down and kind of give yourself a nice even finish so that when the light hits it, when we polish it, it'll look really nice. Same with here. You can do this whole thing. I'm not going to do the whole thing, just to give you an idea. And then I'll just polish it right now. So watch, the polishing wheel will kind of bring this all together.
This amazing how it shines. Yes, when I thought it's like I gotta wear that out here so that each guy can kind of
Smart.
see the difference it makes.
So now we're just going to smooth it all down. You just kind of want to bring it closer to the actual stone. Hold on, let me give myself some more confidence.
It actually kind of brings it in too.
Yes, the earlier the burnisher, and I kind of just want to tie it in.
Okay.
So there we go. So it hugs the stone. Give me a second, guys.
I just don't have the hand strength to do it by.
Honestly, if you just push it, use your Scotch-Brite wheel to just smooth it down. Don't go crazy and try to sand it down and then you start getting it really thin. The magic eraser will burnish it for you. Hold on, let me go ahead and get this going. And I want to get really close to the stone. Hold on. Let me get close to the stone. Hold on, let me go right here. Because this is the problem area right here you have. Let's do this. There we go. And I'm going to polish the stone. Give me a second. So give me 1 second. And I'm going to polish the stone. Oh, but before I do that, hold on, guys. Let me show this. You can look at the TV screen. The TV.
I can see on the TV.
Yeah, that doesn't like... a view of what I can see. I actually have this view. So you get that nice cleaner finish, like right here if I did it. Yeah, you get a much cleaner finish. So let me go back to the bezel, you guys. Let me see what's happening under that bezel. And then I'm going to polish your turquoise. So let's use the green brush. This will get into the corners and kind of clean it up a little bit. Okay, so here we are. So that's your bezel. Look at that.
Oh, that's so much better than what I...
Yes, super clean. And now I want to polish your turquoise a little bit more. So I'll grab that same wheel that I used to polish the pearl. Can't believe it like scratches my pearl.
That was yours too?
That was my pearl, yeah.
I thought it was theirs.
They act like everything's theirs. come up. So I just continue. Now we'll just give it a nice fluid polish. Over the whole turquoise. See that? Super pretty, huh? And let me go ahead and kind of spruce it back up with the green brush, everything, and I'll have the final. So I'll even touch up the green brush even where I use the and there we go. All done.
That's amazing.
So we polished the little bird's tail. Now we've got the smooth bezel all the way across, and this is the way it looks.